Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a spiritual and scenic journey aboard the Delhi to Katra train, a lifeline for pilgrims heading to the sacred Vaishno Devi Temple. But did you know there are some intriguing unknown facts about this iconic train route? Join us as we uncover the hidden stories and secrets of the Delhi to Katra train. Historical background. Our journey starts with a look into the rich history of the Delhi to Katra train route. Unknown to many, this route was established in 2014 and has since transformed the pilgrimage experience for millions. Before the train service, pilgrims had to endure long road journeys, making the trek to Vaishno Devi more challenging. The introduction of this train route has not only shortened travel time but also added a layer of comfort for travelers. Modern marvel. The Delhi to Katra train isn't just about convenience, it's also a modern marvel. Little known to most, the Vande Bharat Express, which operates on this route, is India's first semi-high-speed train. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 160 km per hour, it's designed to provide a fast, smooth, and comfortable ride. The train is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, including GPS-based passenger information systems, bio-vacuum toilets, and Wi-Fi, ensuring a pleasant journey for all aboard. Scenic beauty. As the train winds its way from Delhi to Katra, passengers are treated to some of India's most breathtaking landscapes. Unknown to many, the route traverses through the picturesque Shivalik Hills, offering stunning views of verdant valleys, rolling hills, and sparkling rivers. As you relax in the comfort of your seat, don't miss the chance to gaze out the window and take in the natural beauty that unfolds along the journey. Pilgrimage significance. The Delhi to Katra train is more than just a mode of transport. It's a lifeline for countless pilgrims making their way to the revered Vaishno Devi Temple. Little known to many, this temple is one of the holiest Hindu shrines, attracting millions of devotees each year. The train's direct connectivity to Katra, the base camp for the pilgrimage, has made it easier for pilgrims to undertake this spiritual journey. The train is often fully booked during peak pilgrimage seasons, reflecting its importance in the lives of devotees. Culinary delights. One of the delightful surprises aboard the Delhi to Katra train is the range of culinary options available. Unknown to many, the onboard catering service offers a variety of local delicacies, allowing passengers to savor regional flavors as they travel. From North Indian thalis to local snacks, the menu is designed to enhance the travel experience with a taste of Indian hospitality. Engineering feats. The journey from Delhi to Katra is also a testament to modern engineering. Little known to most, the route includes several impressive tunnels and bridges that navigate the challenging terrain of the Shivalik Hills. One of the standout features is the Anji-Kad Bridge, India's first cable-stayed railway bridge, which is a marvel of modern engineering and a sight to behold as the train crosses it. Environmental considerations. Did you know that the Delhi to Katra train route incorporates several environmentally friendly practices? Unknown to many, the Vande Bharat Express, which operates on this route, is designed with energy-efficient systems. It features regenerative braking, which helps in saving up to 30% of energy. Additionally, the train's coaches are made from lighter materials, which reduces the overall energy consumption during the journey. Climate diversity. The Delhi to Katra train journey is unique in that it traverses a wide range of climatic zones. Unknown to many, passengers experience the transition from the hot, arid climate of Delhi to the cooler, more temperate climate of the Shivalik Hills. This journey offers a fascinating look at the diverse weather patterns of northern India, all within a span of a few hours. Enhanced security. Safety is a top priority on the Delhi to Katra train. Little known to most, the train is equipped with advanced security features, including CCTV surveillance, fire and smoke detection systems, and trained security personnel on board. These measures ensure a safe and secure journey for all passengers, allowing them to travel with peace of mind. Entertainment options. Keeping passengers entertained during the journey is a key feature of the Delhi to Katra train. Unknown to many, the train offers a range of entertainment options, including an onboard Wi-Fi service, personal screens with access to movies and music, and even digital newspapers. This ensures that passengers of all ages can enjoy their journey, whether by catching up on a favorite show or reading the latest news. Accessibility features. The Delhi to Katra train is designed with accessibility in mind. Little known to many, the train has special provisions for differently abled passengers, including wheelchair-friendly entrances, accessible toilets, and dedicated seating areas. These features ensure that everyone, regardless of physical ability, can travel comfortably and with dignity. Key stops. While the ultimate destination is Katra, the journey itself offers interesting stops along the way. Unknown to many, key stations such as Ludhiana, Jammu Tawi, and Pathankot have their own unique attractions and histories. For instance, Jammu Tawi is known as the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir, offering a rich cultural experience for those who choose to explore. Hygiene standards. In these times, hygiene and cleanliness are more important than ever. Little known to most, the Delhi to Katra train adheres to stringent hygiene standards. The train is regularly cleaned and sanitized, and additional measures, such as contactless ticketing and hand sanitizers at various points, have been implemented to ensure the health and safety of all passengers. Customer service. Exceptional customer service is a hallmark of the Delhi to Katra train experience. Unknown to many, the train staff undergo rigorous training to provide top-notch service to passengers. From assistance with luggage to providing information about the journey, the friendly and professional staff ensure that every passenger's needs are met. Heritage connectivity. Did you know that the Delhi to Katra train route enhances connectivity to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Little known to many, this journey provides access to iconic landmarks such as the Qutub Minar in Delhi, a towering masterpiece of Indo-Islamic architecture, and the majestic Golden Temple in Amritsar, a spiritual hub for Sikhs worldwide. Passengers have the opportunity to embark on enriching side trips, exploring India's rich cultural and religious heritage along the way. Panoramic views. One of the highlights of the Delhi to Katra train journey is the panoramic views it offers. Unknown to most, the train's large windows and spacious observation areas allow passengers to take in sweeping vistas of the Himalayan foothills and the lush green valleys of Jammu and Kashmir. Whether it's the early morning mist or the golden hues of sunset, the journey promises breathtaking scenes that capture the essence of northern India's natural beauty. Rural development impact. The Delhi to Katra train route has also had a positive impact on rural development. Little known to many, improved transportation infrastructure has facilitated economic growth in the regions along the route. Local businesses, hotels, and tourism operators have seen increased opportunities, providing livelihoods for communities that rely on tourism and related industries. This ripple effect has contributed to the socio-economic development of the areas served by the train. Regional cuisine. One of the lesser-known delights of the Delhi to Katra train journey is the opportunity to savor regional cuisine on board. Unknown to most, the train's catering service offers a taste of local flavors, with dishes that reflect the culinary diversity of northern India. From Punjabi specialties like butter chicken and parathas to Kashmiri delicacies such as Rogan Josh and Kashmiri Pulao, passengers can indulge in a gastronomic journey that complements their travel experience. Eco-friendly initiatives. Concern for the environment is also a priority on the Delhi to Katra train route. Little known to many, the train incorporates eco-friendly initiatives to reduce its carbon footprint. These include energy-efficient lighting systems, waste management practices, and initiatives to minimize plastic usage on board. By promoting sustainable travel practices, the train contributes to preserving the natural beauty of the regions it passes through for future generations to enjoy. Cultural celebrations. The Delhi to Katra train journey is not just about reaching a destination, it's also an opportunity to celebrate India's vibrant culture. Unknown to most, the train occasionally hosts cultural performances on board, featuring traditional music, dance, and storytelling. Passengers are treated to live performances that showcase the rich cultural heritage of the regions they travel through, creating memorable experiences that enrich their journey. And there you have it, a journey filled with history, modern marvels, scenic beauty, and spiritual significance aboard the Delhi to Katra train. These unknown facts add even more depth to the fascinating journey aboard the Delhi to Katra train. We hope you enjoyed discovering these hidden gems. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe for more travel insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!